Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find any font from an image. But first guys, if you want, you can go down on this video in the comment section and click on the first comment that I pinned. This will bring you to my Fiverr. And here as you can see on my Fiverr, you can get a logo or a banner or both for your YouTube channel if you want. But now back to the video. So I'm going to jump right in. I'm just going to type what the font. It'll just actually be this first link right here. The site is called myfonts.com. And as you can see, this site has a part where you can identify fonts. So I'm just going to go down here and upload an image. So I'm actually just going to upload one of my own thumbnails to show you. As you can see, it's actually going to attempt to find multiple places where there could be a font. So in this case, I want to of course know the font of the text that's right here. So I'm just going to use a long word like voice meter here to make it easier for him to find it. So then you want to go up here and click on identify font. And now first of all, very important, don't worry about the price that's here. You'll actually be able to get them for free on other websites because it is a free font. But I know the font in question, so I know that it's actually Franklin Gothic Condensed Demi. So what you can do then is actually just copy the name of the font and just type that here. And as you can see here, you have a couple of websites where it's free. You can, for example, go to this one here and just download the font in question for free. It's just basically to identify any font. So this is one of the most accurate websites out there in finding those fonts. And as I said, you can always take the name of the font and put it later into another tab and actually search it up on another website and download it for free. But in any case, guys, hope this video helped, of course. Please leave a like, would be really nice. Subscribe would also be really nice. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.